All right, man. Well, with you being a little brother and all and bringing our final sister-in-law home, Lisa, we are so happy that she's a part of the family now. We're very happy for the both of you. We're happy that she gets to pretty much not control you, but help lead you on the right path. So, you know, we're very happy to be here.
Well, congratulations. And I hope that during your tough times that you guys will compromise and make it through. Marriage is not easy, but you know, if you both compromise, you both will be fine. And if anything, you guys always have us. And you know, God bless you both.
Yeah, life's a journey, man. And I'm glad you guys are taking it together. So stay strong. You guys are gonna do just fine. And you always got us. So we're very happy for you guys. Congrats.
I'm proud of you, Johnny. You know, be good. You know, be a man. And you know, always support her and whatever she needs to do, and I'm sure she will support you as well. You know, I'm sure brother too will be very happy for you too as well, and just be a good man. All right.
Hey guys, congratulations! Welcome to the family, Lisa. I'm very happy to have another Nenzo. Wishing you two the best, and hurry up and pop some babies. We need more cousins.
That's right.
That's all.
Congratulations, Johnny and Lisa. I'm so happy for you guys both. You guys are a unique couple. But I also do want to say, no matter how hard things get, just continue to be patient with one another and just continue to thrive and continue to abide in the Lord. Don't forget about that, because He's definitely your foundation in that. Yeah, but Lisa, I'm so glad that you're part of the family. You and me, we have grown so close, and I'm so happy for that. And you have always been like a sister to me, and you are now officially a sister to me. So I'm just thankful for you.
Congratulations to Johnny and Lisa. I know we've had a lot to say, I guess is what I'll say, about everything. Your relationships and, you know, a lot of just how you grew up. But so this is my chance to say that and to really congratulate both of you, to be honest. You know, Johnny and Lisa, honestly, you know, I won't say anything about the past or the present, but I would say for the future, I think it looks really bright. And so I'm really hopeful to see where that goes and how you guys grow and, you know, become better people together. So congratulations, and yeah, I'll be watching.
cho chúng đi khoai con ok có thể yêu chúng mấy tuổi một gì tiền lú vào nữa yêu chuyện cô có ý giáo sư yêu chỉ muốn nụ yêu này yêu gì yêu không ít lại một gì tiền lúc này thế chỉ một trọng trái nữa. Love you so much, love you. Be good, okay? Trong giấy từ Việt trẻ là cho cởi rong này. Cởi rong. No matter cô chỉ muốn nhớ là I'll always be here for you. You and Johnny, okay? Go long luôn. Always remember that you have a lot of family that loves you. Okay? Don't worry about mom and dad. They still got me.
個問題咧本來嗰度落嗰個點嘢啦，咁唔要知啦。冇呢我佢用咧，我佢用嘅個俾冇條話啲啊，都攞包，冇攞包你冇知，冇你知就跟你個知啊，冇攞啦。係啊，有冇你出來做俾人攞咧？嚟住先攞。
Kalau mah gua ada ketua sana ke, asno ke mung tak lu neng lu lupa. Ke cia ke ni ke cia tung sana. Ke yo all the general. So whatever you do, love the guy, respect him. Ke di jalan, ke silu ni ke ni ke cia passion, ke cia dah long sila, ke yung share, ke look forward to see that.
海林奶奶，古要我女儿知道你。What I learned from my life is that 我係啦，你我都我未都有啦嘅。My life's not perfect. I go up and down, but I learned to be 兄弟。So 我睇你啊，就落路兄弟 ，it means you know adjust to each other. But I love you guys. I want you guys to have a good life, and I want you guys to 你每一個thời俾飯嘅。
我里不大怪了你啊，我路那nhau的电脑，好处啊，我用差不了红的电脑要他去，你知道再给谁录？要从那天的好处再给谁录了去？你去 worry about nothing。你在我能录，我能赚钱了，你用谁录？只不能 break 到那个位。Okay，and money 要赚点业绩啊 ，it's a material。Don't let 业绩我 priority 到那路内 ，will never go anywhere。你在给谁录 become your priority。业绩你知道，你冇路上鸟，你怎么在先你知道？但是在给谁录，你知道点啦，你得知道啦。And remember that，我就讲到那边的 weakness，你在给谁少了我路内，and they all wish you the best。Don't need no future.